the 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful eight-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a split folding rear seat, tilt steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, power windows, an overhead console, and air conditioning. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.